How to fix Messenger video call while chatting. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now head to the Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Messenger. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now if your issue still persists, open up Settings application, tap on Apps, go to App Management and search for Messenger. Now click on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search the topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.